Hello, I'm Darian Woolbright in Oklahoma City, and today I thought I'd take a minute to talk about home renovations. I consult with clients all the time about which updates are going to bring them the biggest bang for their buck. And if you're thinking about doing some renovations to your home, you're probably wanting to know the same. So in this video, I'm going to outline 3 projects that will bring the best return on investment when it comes time to sell. You might be surprised that to get maximum value out of your home projects, focusing on smaller tasks can actually have a bigger impact on the aesthetic appeal of your house without breaking the bank. Here are some of the top ROI renovations. First off, a small bathroom remodel. This could be as simple as new countertops, repainting to a brighter color, or retiling the shower. All of these projects will have a huge impact without you having to completely demolish your bathroom. This alone can bring up to 102% return on investment. Second, an update to your landscaping. Landscaping is the first thing buyers see when they're looking at a home, and updating it can be as simple as adding fresh mulch, planting new flowers. You only get one chance to make a first impression, and vibrant landscaping can boost your curb appeal. The average investment here might be a little bit higher sometimes, around $3,500, but almost always you get 100% return on investment. And third, a minor kitchen facelift. Simply repainting the cabinets and getting new hardware will make an outdated kitchen feel new again. These small changes can bring up to a 97% ROI. I have some great connections to designers and renovators that can help you with your home project needs. If you'd like a referral to any, or if you have any real estate questions, give me a call or text anytime. I would love to help you. Remember, your story matters. I'm Darian Woolbright in Oklahoma City. Your eyes on the real estate market.